Hey everybody, in this video tutorial I'm gonna show you how to use the 𝐼𝐸 ChatGPT plugin and how does this ChatGPT plugin work. So as you're gonna see, this plugin, 𝐼𝐸 ChatGPT plugin, is just a joke basically, but you're still gonna be able to use it. However, if you want to learn about the more useful ChatGPT plugins, I have a ton of YouTube video tutorials on my YouTube channel that you can check out and learn about the more useful ChatGPT plugins that you can use for SEO, marketing, business, finance, stock market, and a lot more. But now let's see an example on how to use the 𝐼𝐸 ChatGPT plugin. So before you would be able to use the plugin, of course you have to be a Plus subscriber. You have to enable plugins in your ChatGPT account. If you don't know how to do each of these, I have separate tutorials on my YouTube channel. Then click on New Chat, select GPT-4 from the model selector, select plugins. Then click on this drop down, and if you do not see the 𝐼𝐸 ChatGPT plugin, you have to click on Plugin Store and install the plugin. Last but not least, you have to also enable the plugin, and you can enable the 𝐼𝐸 ChatGPT plugin by checking the checkbox next to the name of the plugin. Then if you want to activate this plugin and use this plugin, all you have to do is write the prompt 𝐼𝐸, then click on Send Message, and let's see what this 𝐼𝐸 ChatGPT plugin will come up with. So as you can see, the plugin is activated, request to 𝐼𝐸 is nothing, and this is what we're gonna get. Here's the image you requested, and we get this fun image. So as you can see, this is just a joke, but if there is any other use cases, I will mention that in the article below, because I have a full tutorial on this 𝐼𝐸 ChatGPT plugin. So if there is any more useful use case, I will let you know there. But anyways, if you want to learn more about more useful ChatGPT plugins, make sure to check out my YouTube channel, because I have a ton of new ChatGPT plugin tutorials coming up. And also, if you want to get access to the complete ChatGPT plugin database that includes categories, searchable descriptions, and more, you can also find the link to that in the video description below.